What makes NICL different?
जो Makers Lab है, it's amazing.
So NICL has state-of-the-art facility to convert your ideas into physically viable products.
We were amazed when we visited the lab that there's sections and there are machines for every type of hardware. Like if I want to build a sensor made of metal, the metal lab is there where you can construct your metal hardwares. Wood hardwares can be constructed as well. And also the amazing fact that they have a 3D printer.
I truly believe that NICL has best people and best facilities to solve every problem of Pakistan.
If you have an idea, you need a platform to develop it. NIC Lahore is the perfect place to validate, develop, and then launch your idea.